Today you're going to get a chance to start your next project, but I want to make sure we spend some time reviewing the different information about the image tags before we do that. So first, I asked this question: why is the alt attribute important when you are adding images? When you use the image tag, there are multiple parts of the tag. There's the IMG, the SRC equals, and this is the actual link to the image address, the alt, which is here. And then if you need to change the height and width, that goes here. Now, the alt is just a description of the picture. So this is a picture of Grand Canyon National Park. So that is the alt. Now, the thing about the alt is you don't see it on the page normally. If the picture is loading and all of the images are working correctly, you won't see it. But if something is wrong with the server and the image isn't loading, you'll see something like this. You'll see this little image with Grand Canyon National Park. This is where the alt will be displayed. And so it's important that you have a descriptive alt here in case something is broken so that the computer can actually tell the reader, oh, this is what this is supposed to be a picture of. And so today we are going to actually talk about some bugs, talk about some issues and errors that are happening with images before we jump into your work for today. So we're going to take a look at a few examples. First up, here is the code. Take a look at the code, see if you can figure out where the error is. Where is the bug? If you found the bug right here, yes, the alt is blank. For this image, you need an alt description. So you need to describe whatever that image looks like in these quotation marks here. Another one, and this is super common. It looks like I have my SRC. I have my alt this time, height and width, but I am missing my closing bracket at the end. And so this closing bracket needs to go here, or it can go on the next line, depending on your formatting, but you have to close your tag. Next up. This is a common mistake from yesterday's classwork. This student has added a paragraph at the end to describe the image, but didn't actually fill out the alt. So yeah, this is a great description of the picture, but the actual description should go in the alt. This would be just a little caption underneath the image itself. And so today we're going to jump into the Rep Your Culture project. This is the project you're going to be working on today and tomorrow to share a little bit about who you are. And so here's an example of a project that I started creating. My family is from Scotland, way back in the day. And so I decided to create a website all about Scotland. And so in your website, you are going to make sure you have the title here. You'll have your heading at the top, and you're going to write a little intro paragraph about you or your family and why this place is important. Then you're going to go through and share several pictures. For each picture that you include on your page, you will need to include a title for the picture, a heading here, the picture itself, and a short description underneath of what it is a picture of. On Google Classroom, you will see this set of expectations. These are also listed in the assignment tab on CodeHS, and they show you everything that you have to have on your page, as well as the example of my website. Please use these step-by-step directions and the notes on the 7th grade website to create your project. Remember that on the 7th grade website in subjects computer science, I have all of the notes here that you can go through to help you. You will see examples of all the different tags, H tags, PI, the A tag if you need to add links to your page, and the image tag here at the end. Your project needs to include all of these things, and you will submit on CodeHS when you are finished. Good luck.